Hi, I'm going to show you how to find where your parent communication logs are in the faculty shared folder of your Google Drive and how to fill them out. Click on parent communication log. Everybody only gets to see their own folder. You won't see anybody else's. Brad is the only person with access to everybody's. So he is the only one that will see yours. You'll click on your folder, double click, and then double click on the copy of the parent communication log. This is the one that you can edit. I added a lot of information that a lot of people will probably want to use, but you're more than welcome to edit it. You don't want to type in this one. It won't save this version. So you'll click preview up here on the top right every time you fill it out. You'll fill out your log. So this is the parent first name and the parent last name. So Jane Smith. The student's name is Joe. The phone number that I contacted them on, our phone numbers, we know that they change, so this might be a good way to keep track of those parent phone numbers. And then the method of contact. So let's say I talked to them on the phone. And notes. Parent agreed and said student needs to come to school more. I don't know. I'm just making something up. And then you click submit. And you can either submit another response or just X out of this and go back to this. So now, that was my third time I've entered a communication log. So I now have 3 responses. So you can click on over here and see the responses. And this will do a summary of the different responses. Or you can click individual and see just the individual ones that you filled out. And you can scroll through 1 through 3. You can print them. You can delete them if you need to. I would suggest keeping these a full year though. Another great feature is that you can make a spreadsheet too. So you can click spreadsheet and then it'll timestamp. All of your responses when you talk to these parents. I added these randomly throughout the day, so that's why you're seeing these, how you talk to them, what phone number, and all of that. And you can sort them by date. You can sort them by name. You can change, delete, add some of this, and you can print this too. So just an easy way of keeping track of all the parents we talk to. And I know that Brad's going to be expecting to see all of this too. So just trying to make it easy for you all, and here is the copy of my spreadsheet too. So that stays, but if I enter a lot more communication logs, then I'll want to run a new spreadsheet because this won't keep updating, or at least I don't think it will keep updating. I'm not positive, but so you'll just want to run another spreadsheet to see your new communications. And that is it. Let me know if you all need any help with anything.